Yesterday, we saw the first official promo of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6. Here's some more live photos of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 dummy. Anthony shared a photo of the dummy unit. This new dummy unit shows its possible back design. The cameras are very close to each other, and we also see the new square design. TechDroider shared two photos on his X account with the caption, "Boxy design like the S24 Ultra, wider cover screen, slim bezels, and sharper edges. It looks same as the promo that we saw in yesterday's leak." Before talking about battery and charging features in the Z Fold 6, let's talk about the promo that leaked yesterday. As we all know, Samsung is set to reveal the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 in about a month, but it seems like Samsung accidentally revealed their designs, which resemble the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Samsung fans spotted the designs of the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 when the company mistakenly shared a marketing image on its website for Kazakhstan. In the picture, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 looks like the Galaxy S24 Ultra, with sharp edges and less rounded corners. It also mentions Galaxy AI, which is expected since previous models in the Galaxy S and Galaxy Z series have already been updated to One UI 6.1. The triple camera setup of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 matches the design shown by Tipster Ice Universe last week. The phone also seems to have a slot-shaped loudspeaker on the top, similar to the Galaxy S24 Ultra and the Galaxy A55. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 has a large cover screen and a dual camera setup, just as predicted. In my opinion, the S24 Ultra cameras look way more premium than the new Z Fold 6. I'm not a fan of the huge thick rings sticking out. According to the tipster Anthony, I hope the huge cameras on the Z Fold 6 mean better sensors. The difference in spacing is crazy between the Z Fold 5 and Z Fold 6. We can see the difference in these photos. What do you think about this new first official look of the Z Fold 6 and the Flip 6? Let me know in the comments section. Anthony also shared a live photo of the Z Fold 6 back. He said, "More Galaxy Z Fold 6 dummy units show its possible back design. The cameras are very close to each other, and we also see a new square design. Reports suggest that the Galaxy Z Flip 6 will boast an improved primary rear camera with a 50-megapixel sensor. Rumors indicate that the phone will retain a 3.4-inch OLED cover screen and a 6.7-inch internal foldable screen, while also sporting a slightly larger battery, likely around 4,000 mAh. Rumors suggest that both the Galaxy Z Flip 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 will have foldable screens with a less noticeable crease. Here's the anticipated battery and charging features of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. What's on the horizon? Unfortunately, despite numerous rumored upgrades, significant changes to the battery capacity are unlikely this year, and there probably won't be any improvements to the charging speeds either. Nevertheless, regarding battery life, power optimization might improve, potentially allowing the next Z Fold to last longer than its predecessor. Here's everything we know about the battery and charging capabilities of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, based on reports and leaks that have emerged ahead of the phone's official announcement at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event. The battery and charging specs for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 are currently uncertain. What is confirmed is that the phone will have two batteries, with model numbers EBBF741ABE and EBBF741ABY, though their capacities are not yet known. A significant battery capacity upgrade is unlikely, as Samsung aims to make the phone thinner and lighter while incorporating the S Pen. Leaked specs suggest a modest 200 mAh increase over the Z Fold 5, bringing the total capacity to 4,600 mAh for the combined batteries in the Galaxy Z Fold 6. No leaks have suggested any changes to the maximum wired and wireless charging speeds for the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This leads us to suspect that the Z Fold 6 will come with the same charging speeds as its predecessor. Galaxy Z Fold 6 expected charging speeds: 25-watt wired charging, 15-watt wireless charging, 4.5-watt reverse wireless charging. In recent months, there have been rumors about Samsung launching an Ultra version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 alongside the regular Galaxy Z Fold 6. The specifics of what makes the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra special remain unclear. However, the phone's existence seems confirmed, as its battery has surfaced once again. The Bureau of Indian Standards database has recently listed two new batteries from Samsung identified by model numbers EBBF958ABE or EBBF958ABY. My Smart Price first spotted these batteries. Given that the regular Galaxy Z Fold 6 carries the model number SMF956B, it's evident that these batteries are not intended for the standard version of the phone. These two batteries are believed to be variations of the batteries potentially intended for use in the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The alternative battery is identified by model numbers EBBF958ABE or EBBF958ABY, which may vary depending on the manufacturer or supplier. The certification from the Bureau of Indian Standards indicates that the device could potentially be used in India, even if it doesn't officially launch in the country. There have been rumors suggesting that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 variant with the model number SMF958N, specifically the South Korean variant, might not launch simultaneously with the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6. Instead, it could potentially debut a few months later and might be limited to certain markets, including South Korea and possibly others. If you were to purchase this device from South Korea, it should be usable in India. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Ring have received FCC certification, revealing their battery capacities. The Flip 6 will feature two battery cells, one on each side, with a total capacity of 3,790 mAh. This will likely be marketed as 3,800, 3,850, or even 3,900 mAh, a slight improvement from the Flip 5's 3,700 mAh. The UL Demco certification indicates a maximum charging capacity of 25 watt. Additionally, Geekbench listings confirm it will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 SoC and equipped with 8 gigs of RAM. According to the Camera FV5 database, the Flip 6 will have a 50-megapixel main camera with an f/1.8 aperture. The Galaxy Ring will come in sizes ranging from 5 to 12, with battery capacities of 17 mAh for sizes 5, 6, and 7, 18.5 mAh for sizes 8, 9, 10, and 11, and 22.5 mAh for size 12. It will support Bluetooth LE and Bluetooth 5.4. A rumor claims Samsung was going to launch the Galaxy Watch X, a wearable designed to directly compete with the Apple Watch Ultra 2. This was previously referred to as the Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra in a different rumor. And now it looks like it won't be called either of those things. Instead, Samsung went with Galaxy Watch Ultra. This has been revealed through the TDRA certification process in the UAE, as you can see in the screenshot. The Galaxy Watch Ultra, model number SML705F, will feature cellular connectivity and support 10-watt charging according to its FCC listing. The watch will have a Squircle mat case, a 1.5 round screen with a rotating bezel, 3 buttons on the right edge, and a large speaker grill on the left. It is rumored to offer 100 meters water resistance and a 100-hour battery life, a significant upgrade from the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro's 80-hour battery. The Ultra will come with a 578 mAh battery, likely marketed as 600 mAh. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comment section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.